Welcome to the Featured Data Driven Summit 2023, the amazing online data platform conference brought to you by the Data Driven Community. Data Driven Community is an online data platform community that focuses on the data platform technologies related to data, AI, and automation for people who want to learn from others or share their experience with others. We have two types of activities under data-driven community. We have cloud data-driven user group, which is a weekly 1 hour or 75 minutes meetup every Thursday at 12 p.m. EST. Secondly, we have Featured Data-Driven Summit, which is a yearly one-day online community conference. My name is Jean-Joseph. I am a data engineer and work for Microsoft as a technical trainer. I am the founder and one of the organizers of this wonderful data platform community. And now I welcome Ronen Ariel, which is the primary organizer for this year's conference. Thank you.
Thank you, Jen, for the introduction. I'm so excited. I feel like a long-distance runner who finally sees the finish line after a marathon that has lasted more than 6 months. By the way, Jen is not just a co-organizer, but has been my right-hand man throughout this journey, putting in more work hours than anyone else. We have spent hundreds of hours together, mostly on the weekends. An event of this magnitude cannot be managed by one or two individuals. It begins with a dedicated team of organizers and volunteers. This year, the responsibility of coordinating with the volunteers was entrusted to Anna Maria Wicks. She successfully built and led a team of 23 dedicated volunteers. We would like to express our deepest gratitude to all the volunteers for their dedication and hard work. Their profiles are highlighted on the conference webpage. In addition, you will have the opportunity to meet some of those individuals today as they will be moderating the sessions. A community is more than just lectures during a conference or user group meetings. A community is all about the people first. The data community group on Teams is available to connect with peers, engage with the speakers, and meet the people behind the scenes, participate in discussions and activities. During the conference, the Teams group also provides support if you encounter any technical issue during the day. Join the group on Teams to say hello, get support if needed, check the fun channel, and other activities. Let's look at what is happening today. After we finish this opening session, Bob Ward will give the keynote at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time, right here in Virtual Room 1. Once the keynote is done, all 5 virtual rooms will be opened, and the sessions will start at 5 minutes after 10 a.m. Eastern Time. To find the link to your next session, check the schedule at the conference webpage. Check in which virtual room the session is and use the direct link to that virtual room as presented at the website or in this slide. The last session of the day is a short after party with swags and fun. It will be held here in Virtual Room 1 at 6:35 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to be late, and you are more than welcome to join us. Speaking about swags and the after party, we need to thank the sponsors. The responsibility of coordinating with the sponsors and organizing the swags was entrusted to Ed Pollack. Ed, are you here with us? Can you elaborate a bit more?
Hi everyone, I am Ed Pollack and I am one of the organizers of Future Data Driven Summit 2023, a Microsoft Data Platform MVP, and I can be found all over the data platform space, presenting, writing, just generally causing trouble. Anyway, what am I here to talk about? I'm here to talk about some of the great things going on today, but first I want to thank our sponsors. Sponsors make events like this happen. Not only do they provide financial support, but they also provide marketing and PR. They help promote the event, they attend it. They help make the success. Without great sponsors, there can't be great events. Who are our sponsors today? Well, first off, we have Q Associates. Thank you for being a silver sponsor. We also have Redgate and CF Technologies that are all bronze sponsors. And then O'Reilly, who's a bronze sponsor, providing us with some swag afterwards. Which leads me to the next fun topic, and that is our after party. Right after the last session ends tonight, there will be an after party. What happens at after parties? Well, fun. But in addition to fun and a chance to socialize and say hi to the organizers, the speakers, and everyone else, there'll be some prizes. What kind of prizes? We will have 10 free ebooks from O'Reilly. We'll have a variety of Amazon gift cards, and we'll have some free licenses to ESET Fireball. And there'll also be free trials for O'Reilly's online book service. So lots of fun prizes to win. So please stop by the after party afterwards. It'll be great. It'll be a good chance to unwind after a long day, and you can bring your own drinks. It doesn't matter to me. Whatever works for you. Enjoy dinner. So anyway, I hope everyone has a wonderful day today, and I'll see you at the after party tonight.
Thanks, Ed. Okay, now that you have the basic knowledge about the community behind the Future Data Driven Summit, the organizers, the volunteers, the sponsors, and the swags, I would like to summarize the technical information for today. Basically, all you need is presented in the next 5 slides. It is highly recommended to save the link to the recording of those slides for the rest of the day. The keynote will be held in Virtual Room 1. To get support, you can use the Teams group. You can try emailing us, but the response time might be too long. To find your next session, go to the schedule on the website. The link to all the virtual room look the same except the last character, which is the room number. Don't forget to join the after party at 6:35 p.m. Eastern Time in Virtual Room 1. Note that you can use the meeting chat in all rooms between and during the sessions. For questions.
Thank you for being here with us today. It's my pleasure to remind you that Bob Ward's session is about to get started very soon. We will present the keynote here in Virtual Room 1. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you. And again, welcome to the Future Data Driven Summit 2023